What is up, you guys? It is Thursday night, a little after 9 p.m. I made my decision tonight about going back on the 5-in-1, and the support rolling in is just amazing. You guys are so special to me. Please always know that, regardless of anything, just know that every single one of you means so much to me. And I have missed 5-in-1. I enjoyed carnivore. I thought it was amazing. I still do. But it's very, very hard to sustain, and just thinking of having to stay that route for the rest of my life would mean missing out on some foods that I love. I love cauliflower rice. I love asparagus and spinach and broccoli and cucumbers and like all of those things. So I look forward to restarting with you tomorrow. So today is actually the next day, or right now. I can't think. And we're going to do a 5-in-1 day today. So I am right now going to go shower and get ready for bed. And I will see you in the morning. Have a great night, guys. Optavia 5-in-1 restart. So, what's the first feeling of the day? I have to say, I miss this damn shake so much. Water ice, mocha blast, headed to work. I have a ton of feelings at work. I also brought some with me, and I'm so excited because, oh boy, did I miss some of these fuelings. So I'm excited, and I'm here to share my day with you. Lots of new videos coming up, new recipes for 5-in-1, lean and green, snacks, all kinds of stuff on its way. And I am so happy to be back, and thank you for welcoming me back. It has been a while, and I'm feeling excited. So let's get it done. So we have Employee of the Month every month at work, and it's not for the leadership team, but it's for the line staff. So nurses, recreation, therapists, what have you. And we just announced the winner amongst leadership. So now I'm going to be running to, we like to get $100 gift card to the winner. So I'm going to go pick one up now. And then I have a nice, beautiful gift bag, and we're having a big luncheon to celebrate. So I get to leave work for a little while. So anyway, it's a little bit overcast. Check out the day. But it is beautiful. All of the trees and the leaves are out, and I just love this time of year. Anyway, I just talked to our real estate agent, and the house that we bid on, as of right now at 10:15 in the morning on Friday, we are one of 3 offers that were selected. I guess there were many more. So we will have an answer if we beat out everyone sometime today. And I can't stand it. The pressure of this is just, it's a lot, guys. And I'm sure that most of you know that, but like, I've never really experienced this because we've been renters. So this is all new. And if I had to do it again, I don't know if I'd do it again. It's just, the market is such that like the whole competing against a million people is just really, really stressful. But that's another reason why I'm just grateful to be back on 5-in-1, because now I don't have temptations, because I know what I'm supposed to eat during the day. I have my fuelings, I have my lean and green, and that's it. So I'm looking forward to a successful day. So let's go over to Wegmans. They have a huge section. I keep saying, I'm sorry guys. I'm just a little bit, my mind is just tired. They have a huge gift card section. So we're going to go take a peek, and I guess let's head out. See you over there.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do we go, nah, nah, just let me know.
So when I went into Wegmans, I couldn't resist this. Look what they have. It's this cute little polar seltzer, pink summer iced tea, calorie free. Apparently the lady said, because I asked, Tastes like pink lemonade. So I'm going to bring this with me into my office, crack one open, and let you know what I think. But I just thought the packaging was so cute. Look at the little lemons and the flowers. This is adorable. And Polar, to be honest, out of all the seltzers I have tried, it's the only one that doesn't have that aftertaste bite. It's nice and smooth. So if you like seltzer, basically drinking water with bubbles, I recommend that brand in all the flavors. I actually bought a black cherry one also. And then I bought a 6-pack of Zevia in the Dr. Pepper flavor. So I like to stock them up at work so I have things to drink. And I'm excited. I'm feeling really good, guys. I have 10 minutes till the next fueling. So by the time I get back to my office, I'll be cracking one open. And what do you think I'm going to have? I don't know. So many decisions. All right, guys. So I am I'm at my desk. And I decided to have one of my all-time favorites. This is the peanut butter and chocolate chip bar. Keep in mind, I haven't had one of these in it's almost 2 months now, a month and a half. I cannot wait to dive into this. And I already feel so good. I feel, even though I'm tired, I feel really good. Chocolate on one side and chocolate chip and peanut butter on the other. Looks so good. So good. So good. I had cracked one of these open before. It's just the plain seltzer. So I'm going to enjoy my fueling. In a little while, we have our Employee of the Month celebration. We'll continue about our day. All right? I'll see you in a little bit. I forgot to film it. I had a chocolate chip cookie. And I cracked one of these. It's not as good as I thought. It tastes like some kind of floral-y taste, not so much lemonade iced tea, but I mean, it's seltzer. It's not horrible, but the packaging sucked me in. Anyway, all right, I gotta go finish some work. See you at the next one. Right, so there's 30 minutes left in the day before I head out the door, and I'm having chocolate mint bar. Chocolate mint bar. I'll see you at home for lean and green. Healthy noodles, anyone? Who's tried these? Please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your review on them. I buy these at Costco. They come in a box with several bags in each box in the refrigerated section, just in case you're curious. Here's some of the macros and the ingredients. And as you can see, it's literally just a big bag of fiber. One bag counts as 2 greens on the 5-in-1. So what I did here was I browned up some ground beef from Trader Joe's, 96% lean. I took a skillet with some olive oil cooking spray and I sauteed up the noodles. And then I added 1.5 ounces of fresh avocado. This is a complete lean and green minus 1 green. Because these noodles are so filling and they do not taste like those shirataki noodles. These are more like a noodle. And they have no fishy smell, no fishy taste. They're not slimy. They're really good. But I want to hear who out there has tried them before. And as you know, I'm doing this voiceover after I've already eaten it. So I can tell you, these were off the chart, guys. So good. All right, guys. So here comes the taste test. Here it comes. Okay, these noodles are nothing like shirataki. These actually taste like noodles. What? Leave a comment below if you have had these. I buy them in Costco, like I said. Wow, these are really good. All right, so I'm gonna go eat this lean and green, and I'll see you at my last fueling. See you in a little bit. Guys, we're at the last fueling of the night. And I'm gonna have a frosty mint chocolate soft serve, which will be kind of like a bowl of ice cream. And that will wind up my first day back on 5-in-1. And guys, I'm feeling so good. And guess what? I have news, big news, but I can't tell you till the next video. I love you all. I'm so excited to tell you, but I can't. You know I'm dying. But anyway, watch my next video. I'm going to film tomorrow. Brittany and I are going to do a vlog. Here's a little hint for you. We are going shopping too at home. a big store. If you don't know what At Home is, look it up. That's where we're going tomorrow, and I'm bringing you with us. I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good night, and thanks for watching. And remember, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. I love you guys. Have a great night. Bye.